Hare Krishna, thank you very much. All goes to Prabhupada, all goes to all Vaishnavas. And first of all, I really thankful to all the devotees of Bhajan County ISKCON. So this is a wonderful program you are organizing. So it's my it's this is for me for my own purification. So kindly bless me, and then I can say something about that particular topic. So before start, we can do 5 minutes kirtan, Prabhu. Yeah, yeah.
Kirtan we can do, but it's very
Okay.
Yes,
responsibility
You
is
have,
yes,
very
you have
difficult.
already done.
surely.
Okay, you have already done. No problem. Though we can start with the class with the Mangalacharan. Thank you very much. All goes to Prabhupada. ओम ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानञ्जलशलाकया चक्षुरन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूप कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वपदान्तिकम् हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमस्तुते तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये वाञ्छा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धु एव च पतितनां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवसादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा. So wonderful topic today we have, and it's a good relevance in our life also. April Fool. I know when I was a kid, it was a day we were celebrating that time because on that particular day it's a day then we can lie properly, so I don't know who started that day. Then we can lie and we can make other people fool. That is our nature, to make people fool. I don't know why we are so happy to make others fool, and but this is it's happening actually. And it's not in India, it's not in America, everywhere April Fool, so everybody are happy to become April Fool. So today's topic, April Fool, and apart from April Fool, we have another topic along with April Fool. Then we are being fooled by Maya since long time and every day. And apart from the third topic, we have how can we, work on it? Then will not Maya will not make us fool. So we will cover three topics. Then April Fool is very common. We have discussed now because it's a kind of a event nowadays all over the world are celebrating. But for us it's important to understand what is the meaning of a fool. What is the meaning of fool? And how can Maya make us fool? Actually, they are in this world there are two type of people. दो प्रकार के लोग होते हैं. So one type of people, those are more into, they are seeking some happiness, and they are more into happiness. Like Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, भोग ऐश्वर्य प्रसक्ता नाम या आसक्त चेतसाम व्यवसात्मिका बुद्धि समादो न विद्यते. Hey Arjuna, those are more into material things, and they will not get the real peace and vivasatmika buddhi. Their intelligence will not work effectively. So because they are more into uh, bhog aishwarya, material life, they are enjoying. They want to take. They they want. They are looking for some enjoyment in material things. That is the one type of. And second type of people, those are little intelligent, and they might be seekers of happiness, but they are more concerned with why we are suffering actually. तो two type of people. One is जो सुख को खोजते हैं, they are searching happiness. And second type of people जो दुख का ज्ञान लेने का प्रयास करते हैं, those are trying to know why we are suffering a lot. So more who is intelligent? Actually, according to Gita, Krishna says who is intelligent. माम उपेत्ते पुनर्जन्म दुखाले अशाश्वत नाप्नुवन्ति महात्मा नाम समसिद्धि परमम गता. Those are Mahatma. Mahatma means the intelligent people. Mahatma means those are Mahan Atma. Mahatma. So one, they are more into material thing, and second, they are searchers. Why we are suffering? The problem in this whole world, people even not believe that they are suffering, but they all are suffering, but they will not believe. So Prabhupada did wonderfully. First, they said you are a patient, you are a Maya patient actually, and you'll have to recover it. Okay. So generally, no one has said you are a Maya patient. So Prabhupada has given us the idea. Then we are a patient of Maya. So and we have a bhava rog. Bhava rog means इस जगत का रोग, इस जगत में रहने का रोग. तो ये हमको लगा हुआ है. So normal people generally they go for treatment, but intelligent people they even not go for treatment. Initially they will diagnose what is the problem we have actually, why we are suffering a lot. And generally people say, okay, going for they are more into treatment. हमारे को ये है ठीक कर दो. नहीं नहीं. First you'll have to diagnose. When we are on the path of diagnose, then we are a path of we are in on the path of intelligence, and we are using our mind. Why we are suffering? We have so much of opulence, we have so much of money, we have so much of relation, but still we are suffering. Why we are suffering? There are so many suffering. गुरु महाराज से कोई तन दुखी, कोई मन दुखी, कोई धन बिन रहत उदास, होछे सब दुखी, सुखी हरि का दास. कोई तन से दुखी है, कोई मन से दुखी है, कोई धन के बिना उदास है ना. तन से दुखी मीन्स दे आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम बॉडी, है ना. दे हैव सम डिजीज. एंड then koi man dukhi, and some are they are their mind not supporting them, always give their wrong instruction, wrong ideas, and they are suffering. Why? And always in the negative path of uh, negative path even. And apart from this, कोई तन दुखी मन दुखी धन बिन रहत उदास. Dhan means money and opulence. They don't have money actually. I don't know, America में तो सब लोग धनवान है, but it's in India, and little bit people are little poor also. धन बिन रहत उदास, होछे वत्ता सब दुखी. And finally the final conclusion is होछे वत्ता सब दुखी. सब लोग दुखी है. All are suffering. सुखी हरि का दास. जो हरि का दास है, जिसने भगवान का शेल्टर लिया है, जिसने कृष्ण का शेल्टर लिया है, they are happy. If you take a shelter of Guru and Krishna, then there is the only scope, there is the only chance you'll become happy. Otherwise, there is no chance you'll become happy. So this is the scenario, and Krishna has given us through Gita to Arjuna. Then who is a Mahatma? Mahatma who understand what is the suffering. So better to go to search the what suffering you are into. Then the best suffering or the topmost suffering which we are into, that is a bhavrog. Bhavrog means इस संसार में रहने का रोग. That is called bhavrog. So Maya is not a problem actually, and we can say then why we are in the hand of Maya. Actually, not in the hand of Maya. We are not in the hand of Maya. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Devi Hoshi Gunmai Mamaya Duratya. Devi Hoshi Gunmai. The Maya is in gunas. Guna is in the mode of goodness, mode of passion, mode of ignorance. Then we are more into mode of ignorance, more into more mode of passion, more into more mode of goodness. But the all mode, all gunas, Satoguna, Rajoguna, and Tamoguna. All three gunas means we are in Maya. Whether we are in Satoguna, whether we are in mode of goodness, we are in Maya. Whether we are in mode of ignorance, we are in Maya. More mode of passion, we are in Maya. So if we are in any of the mode, we are in Maya. But the next line Krishna says, मामेव्य प्रपद्यन्ते. मामेव्य, मामेव, मामेव मतलब अपने लिए. Krishna is saying himself, है ना, about himself. If you are मामेव्य प्रपद्यन्ते. प्रपद्यन्ते means if you are surrender onto me, है ना. माया में ताम तरंती दे. Maya metam tarant. Then Maya will not affect you, even will not touch you. There are three type of people actually. One is Krishna. says we are a Maya Dhin. We are Adhin. Jeev is a Adhin of Maya, that is called Maya Dhin. And Lord Shiva and so many sadhu and so many acharyas, guru, they are Maya Tit. They are free from Maya. And Krishna is Maya Dhish. Maya Dhish, it means he is a Swami of Maya. So Krishna is a Maya Dhish. We are Maya Dhin. And all few demigods, Lord Shiva and Prabhupada and Acharya, they are Mayati. They actually free from Maya. So finally, we cannot become Mayadhish, but we'll have to attain the Upadhi of Mayatit. Then we'll have to free from Maya. That is our topic today, because we are under the Maya. Every day Maya makes us fool, and we are very happy to become fool, because we don't know. Why, what we don't know? Actually, हमको नहीं पता कि suffering is, suffering. We even not concerned with suffering. So suffering, there are too many suffering we are suffer now, and the best jana mrityu jara vyadi, dukh dosh anudarshanam. Actually, four type of pains, four type of miseries will always follow. One is janam. Janam itself is a problem. Okay, we are into the womb of a mother for 9 months. You know, it is difficult to stay even if someone will block us in a dark room for 9 hours. It's difficult for us, but 9 months we are in the womb of the mother. Very difficult. So, and the second is mrityu. Mrityu, 10,000 bichu, 10,000 बिच्छू आपको काटेंगे. Jana Mrityu, Jara Vyadhi. Jara means when you become old, you'll automatically, um, your body will not support you, है ना. And then finally Vyadhi. Vyadhi means bimari, है ना. You need medication. You'll have to go for some treatments, and every day you are suffering from this. You are suffering from that. That is very common. Everyone nowadays, uh, as far as the Kali Yuga is concerned, at the age of 40, 50, we have so many problems, and we are take so many medicine. Why? Because this is a culture of this yoga, you know. This is a culture of this yoga. So we are suffering. So intelligent people understand why we are suffering. Intelligent people go for suffering, and those are not intelligent. They are searching happiness. So happiness is not a problem, but we'll have to go for the param sukh, not for the sukh. Happiness and the spiritual happiness. When we'll understand the concept of suffering, then we'll go for spiritual happiness. We are not When we are not understand, we are not aware of the concept of suffering, and we are only concentrate on the topic of happiness, then we will go for material happiness. So the concept, actually, Krishna is saying to Arjuna, the concept of suffering, dukhalaya. This world is called dukhalaya. Krishna is offering the concept of suffering. If you say, Prabhuji, why you are talking about suffering? Why you are not talking about happiness? Because we are searching for real happiness, and real happiness you can attain after knowing. Then how many, what is the real suffering? Because material happiness, when we are attaining material happiness, after attaining material happiness, why we are not so happy? That is a problem. We have everything, we have opulence, we have health, but still our mind is not up to the mark. That is all about. So initially we'll have to understand sufferings, and by sufferings we need guru, we need shastras. They will guide us. Then this Prabhupada always says, this material world is not for gentlemen. Proper doesn't mean then we go and do suicide. No, this is not the meaning of Prabhupada. Prabhupada was saying, uh, uh, we'll understand how to live on this planet. We are living for art of. We are more concerned of art of living. But Prabhupada said, Gita says, then we'll have to learn art of dying. When we'll understand art of dying, automatically art of living, we will, on the top. अगर आपको आर्ट ऑफ डाइंग समझ में आ गया, तो आपका आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग ऑटोमेटिकली हाई लेवल का हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो आपको आर्ट ऑफ, विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड आर्ट ऑफ डाइंग. And that Krishna consciousness, the Krishna consciousness is giving you the chance to understand art of dying as well as art of living. Art of living is almost connected with art of dying. So when we'll understand the mood of Krishna, why Krishna giving Gita to Arjuna, because we on this mrityu loka, on this dukhale ashashvatam, we know why it is called dukhale, why it is called uh, dukhalaya shashvatam. Why? Because there are sufferings. So and what we are doing, actually, we are just going for some treatment. Is suffering. How can we recover ourselves from this particular suffering? How can we recover ourselves from this particular suffering? It's not important. We'll have to connect. We have to correct and connect with Krishna. We'll have to correct through Krishna, and we'll have to connect with Krishna. When we'll connect with Krishna and we'll correct ourselves through the knowledge of Krishna, then we'll become a wonderful devotee. And then we'll become a beautiful devotee, and we can serve Krishna. And by serving Krishna, we will get the fun, and that is called the Param Sukh, that is called, you know, real happiness and the divine happiness and the permanent happiness. So that is our goal of life. That is our goal of life. Then we'll become happy. After attaining so many things in this material world, we'll never become happy. That is very much sure. Now we come to the point. So how can Maya make us fool? That is more important. There are two type of Maya. One is the Avran Atmika. Second is the Vikshep Atmika. Avran Atmika means covering. हमारे ऊपर कवरिंग आ जाती है कि हम फलाना है. वी आर वी आर समथिंग. माय नेम, माय पोजीशन, आई माय जेंडर, है ना. पीपल रिकॉग्नाइज अस बाय जेंडर, बाय आवर पोजीशन, बाय आवर वेल्थ, है ना, बाय आवर हेल्थ. ओके, दैट इज ओके. दैट इज आवर बॉडीली, आइडेंटिटी. तो आवरण आत्मिका means we are being recognized by our bodily platform. People will say आपका नाम ये है, आप ऐसे हो, आप वो, something like this. But that is not important for us. Avaran Atmika means we are a soul actually. And the concept of soul, actually, I know so many intelligent people, so many, those are on some position, but they are, when we are into preaching, when I was preaching in a college, is a college, yeah, in a Rohini, in Delhi, one of the college, uh, for senior students and senior teachers were there. So I've asked the simple question. I was simple and small question. Who are you? You are a body, you are a soul, and you are a combination of both. So 99% people were saying that time, then we are a combination of both body and soul. I was surprised to see they are on a right position and they are guiding people, but they hardly aware of themselves also. I told them, you are not a body, you are a soul. And Krishna says, Mamevanshu Jiva Loke Jiva Bhuta Sanatana. है ना, सनातन, you are sanatan. Krishna says जीव सनातन, yanti brahma sanatan, brahm sanatan. That is why brahm sanatan, जीव सनातन, तो धर्म भी सनातन. Then I told, then I said, and then we are a soul. And उनको मैंने फिर प्रैक्टिकली बताया कि जब कोई शरीर छोड़ता है, जब कोई मरता है, तो एक बाल भी लेकर नहीं जाता. Whenever you leave your body, I told them, whenever you leave your body, even you will not go along with your hair, your eyes, your nose. It means you are 100% body, 100% soul. Then they accept it. After the class, they said, "Oh, Prabhuji, we hardly aware of it." I said, "Yes, this is the mercy of Prabhupada. Prabhupada has given everyone that knowledge. When you understand you are a soul, then you will go for on different track. Your track being changed, है ना. Otherwise you earlier you were going to left, but the way you will have to opt your you'll have to attain your target, you'll have to go right. Now after knowing Gita, after association of devotees, after association of Prabhupada, है ना, then we understand we are a soul. And now we understand a soul, then we'll suffer. Why we are suffering? Then our spiritual journey will start. Generally people say always, हमेशा अच्छा बोलो प्रभु, गंदा मत बोलो. अच्छा और गंदे की बात नहीं है, सत्य की बात है. विल हैव टू से राइट. हमें सत्य बोलना है. सत्य बोलने में कभी शर्माना नहीं चाहिए, कभी नहीं, है ना. सिद्धांत बलिया चित्त ना करे आलस. After hearing this much of from Prabhupada and the knowledge of soul, then we can connect ourselves with Krishna. Then we can understand why we are suffering, and we are suffering, and why Maya make us fool. Generally, people says Maya make us fool, and why Maya makes us fool. No, it's not the Maya's job. Actually, Maya is in guna, sato guna, rajo guna, tamo guna. our karmas, our taste, our desire, है ना? Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Ichha Dvesha Samutvena Dvanda Mohena Bharata. Ichha and Dvesh. Ichha means desire. Dvesh means jealousy. Krishna says Ichha Dvesha Samutvena. When they both together, है ना? Ichha Dvesha Samutvena Dvanda Mohena Bharata. Then Dvand will happen. Dvand means winter, summer, cold, hot. Dvand. तो द्वंद आता है ना? सर्वभूतानि सम्मोह. सर्वभूतानि, everyone actually. Samभूतानि सम्मोह. सम्मोह. They are into मोह, attachment. है ना? सर्गे यान्ति परन्तप. और इस जगत में रहता है, अटैचमेंट के कारण रहता है. हर कोई व्यक्ति, नॉट इवन यू, नॉट इवन मी, एवरीवन, हर कोई इसी वजह से रहता है. तो प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम लोगों को इच्छा है और हम लोगों को द्वेष है. तो ये इच्छा और द्वेष को करेक्ट करने के लिए हमको ये जो जितना भी हमारे पास लिटरेचर है, हमारे पास आचार्य है, हमारे पास गुरु है, हमारे पास हरि नाम है, वी हैव सो मेनी थिंग्स टू रिकवर इट. तो हमको इससे बाहर निकलना है. तो आवरण आत्मिका, आवरण आत्मिका वी वर डिस्कसिंग. आवरण आत्मिका मीन्स वन टाइप ऑफ माया. forget who we are, है ना? We are our real identity, है ना? They we hide our real identity. Maya hide, है ना? तो and apart from this, second type of Maya, विक्षेप आत्मिका. विक्षेप आत्मिका means उल्टा, opposite. ये मेरे घर वाले सगे संबंधी है, ये मेरे अपने हैं, है ना? The family members, you know, my friends, my family members, my colleague, they are my own actually. And I rest of there is no, they don't have knowledge of Krishna, they don't have knowledge of uh, shastras, they don't have knowledge of Harinam. They are, you know, one is a कुएं का मेंढक, वन इज अ समुंदर का मेंढक. कुएं का मेंढक कुएं के आसपास घूमता रहता है, दे हैव लिटिल नॉलेज, उसी के साथ दे आर जस्ट ट्रैवलिंग. और जो समुंदर का मेंढक होता है वो ओशन, यू नो, ओशन इज टू बिग, सो दे हैव बिग थॉट्स. तो ये है दो टाइप की माया. नाउ वी आर इन माया, ऑब्वियसली वी आर इन, एक्चुअली द वर्ड वी आर इन माया, द बेटर टू अंडरस्टैंड, वी आर इन थ्री मोड ऑफ नेचर. And the three mode of nature being handled by Maya, that is why we can say we are in Maya. But generally we are not in Maya. Maya is, why Maya is so hard if she's the energy of Krishna? Why Maya is, है ना, giving us so many so much of pain when is the energy of Krishna? No. Maya actually is not giving you pain and everything. Actually, what Hare Krishna. Actually, Maya, we are in mode of nature. We are in the mode of nature. Rajoguna, Satoguna, Tamoguna. Mode of ignorance, mode of passion, mode of goodness. So Maya actually handling this mode of all three mode of nature. So that is why we can say we are under Maya. Hare Krishna.
If this world had one more shot,
I think somebody is sharing the sound, maybe it's coming from their computer.
y'all act bored when the
हरे
money
कृष्णा. प्रभु ये कोई म्यूजिक आ रहा है.
same toxic talks. Say spiritual ones, whole room get shocked with your binge fake drama like it's safe to stop. You sit that.
हट गया, हाँ हट गया, ठीक है, थैंक यू प्रभु. तो माया हैंडल करती है, एंड वी आर नॉट इन माया, वी आर इन मोड ऑफ नेचर, एंड दैट मोड ऑफ नेचर हैंडल्ड बाय माया. दैट इज व्हाई वी कैन से वी आर इन माया, बिकॉज माया is the energy of Krishna. Why he is giving us pain? No, Maya is not giving us pain. Maya is so merciful. Whether it is Yog Maya, whether it is Mahamaya, but Mahamaya handling this material world and Yog Maya handling this spiritual world. है ना? So what happening actually when we are in material world, and then we are under the Yog Maya, Mahamaya, and Mahamaya means Durga, है ना? So Durga, Kali, Bhadrakali, so many name of Maya. So we are under the clutches of Maya, and we are more into हमको ये चाहिए. We have so many desires. The Maya, what Maya will give us according to our karmas, whatever karmas we have, and Maya give it to us. But in this, in the whole process, we have one wonderful chance Krishna has given to on this material people. Krishna has have sent so many devotees over here, and so many shastras, and so many gurus, and who can guide us, so many acharyas who can guide us and about the material world through knowledge and through commitment. And how can we recover it? How can we understand this material world, and how can we come out from this material world, and that knowledge, but through knowledge and through applications, we have so many things. By knowledge, we have Shastra, and how to apply all this knowledge. Then we have Guru Acharyas. So that is a trick we'll have to use, and that is a wonderful trick actually. So if we want to keep away from Maya and from all three mode of nature, then we'll have to choose a trick. That trick has given Krishna to us in particular Bhagavad Gita. So initially we understand Devi Hoshi Gunamai Maya Duratya. We understand then the Maya is in three gunas, the mode of nature, and a good mode of goodness, mode of ignorance, and mode of passion. Now the point is, Krishna, there is any chance then we can come out through all from this mode of ignorance, and yes, we can come out. How can we come out? That is the point actually. Then we will understand through Gita only, because we are a Gita student, and there are so many shastras, but Gita is the best shastra among all shastras, because Gita has given us a wonderful philosophy, and by the mercy of Prabhupada, the whole world being changed by just by Gita. Then Krishna says in chapter number 12, Bhakti Yoga. The five shloka number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The five shloka, Krishna has given us a wonderful way, a wonderful, solution. How can we come out through Maya? Initially, Krishna says, if you are wonderful devotee, if you are a wonderful, you have wonderful mind, you have wonderful intelligence, then what you will have to do to come out through Maya, you will have to choose Bhakti Yoga. And through Bhakti Yoga, why Bhakti Yoga? Because Krishna says, Yogi Nam Api Sarvesham. There are so many yogis, and some Jnani yogi, so many yogi Nam Api Sarvesham, Mad Gaten Antaratmana. लेकिन उनमें से जिनका आत्मा अंदर से है, श्रद्धावान लभते ज्ञानम, है ना, श्रद्धावान भजते यो माम, एंड बाय श्रद्धा दे डू माय भजन, है ना, दिस इज माय मत. So Krishna is recommend Shraddha. The word Shraddha Krishna is using. So Shraddha means faith. Faith. Through faith you can attain me. And Krishna says in chapter number 6. But now we are covering chapter number 12. Chapter number 12, Krishna says, if you have Shraddha and you have decided, then you'll have to come out from the clutches of Maya, from the clutches of mode of nature. Then the best thing, first option, number one, topmost option, Krishna says, Maya mana advasta Maya buddhi niveshya. You invest your mind into me, you invest your intelligence onto me. Mind and intelligence, both you'll have to invest into me. That is the best. Devotee generally work on that particular philosophy, that particular principle. We'll have to concentrate. Adhvastu matlab you'll have to fix. Maya buddhi niveshya. Niveshya matlab investment. You'll have to invest your intelligence onto me. Investment means you'll have to spend some money, and money will we generally invest. But here, what we'll have to invest our intelligence. Our intelligence means our buddhi, intelligence. Then we'll have to read shastras. Investment karo. And the Maya Mana Adhvastva. Maya Mana Adhvastva means into. We will have to go little deeper, little deeper. Man ko, we'll have to keep our mind little deeper into Krishna consciousness. We'll have to come close to Shastras, and not even come close to Shastra. We'll have to deep dive into Shastras. So Maya Man Adhvasta, Maya Buddhi Niveshya. That is a principle number one. Krishna has given 5 principles. We can come out through Maya. Okay, Krishna, this is difficult for us. Then you are saying we are in this material world. How is it possible? Then we just invest everything onto you. That is difficult for us. Krishna said, no problem. If you cannot invest, है ना, अत्थम चित्तम समाधातु, है ना, अत्थम चित्तम समाधातु, मयि स्थिरम, अभ्यास योगेन ततो माम इच्छा माप्तु धनंजय. If you cannot invest, then abhyas. Abhyas means practice. Best is surrender. The first shloka number 8, means surrender onto me. If you cannot surrender, then you have another choice. Then go for practice. Abhyas yogena tatomam iksham aptum dhananjaya. Better you do practice. Practice is also wonderful. When we do practice, then it's wonderful. We'll have to go for practice. Then Krishna is saying, then go for do some practice. Practice will help you. Second option. This is also a wonderful principle because uh, 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 Krishna, when in chapter 6, Arjuna says, Chanchal hi mana Krishna paramathi balavadram. Then Krishna offered, yeah, asanshya mahabaho manadunigram abhyas yogena. Abhyas. Then you'll have to practice. So Krishna in chapter number 6 offering Arjuna to do practice. And the same Krishna is in chapter number 12 is saying to Arjuna, do practice. Actually, things, practice means knowledge you have, then practice is a practical version of knowledge, that is called practice. When we have a knowledge, and that knowledge we are using into Krishna consciousness, yeah, we are using into to do bhakti, that practice become bhakti, bhakti become practical. That is why the knowledge is not everything. ज्ञानम विज्ञानम सहितम यद गत्वा मोक्ष से अशुभा. आपके पास जितना भी ज्ञान है, आप जितना भी जानते हो, ज्ञानम विज्ञानम, आपको उस ज्ञान को विज्ञान बनाना पड़ेगा, है ना. पानी पीने से प्यास बुझती है, लेकिन पानी पीने के ज्ञान से प्यास नहीं बुझेगी. पानी को पीना पड़ेगा. जब आप पानी को पियोगे तो आपकी प्यास बुझेगी. तो ज्ञानम विज्ञानम सहितम, सहितम मतलब टुगेदर, टुगेदर ज्ञानम विज्ञानम सहितम यद गत्वा मोक्ष से अशुभा. तो when we do practice, then we'll become a practical devotee. Generally, the people are more into knowledge, but they are not into practice. When you are not into practice, then you cannot understand, and you cannot, you are not able to do practical bhakti. Practical bhakti means service. है ना? If you have knowledge and you are not into service, then the knowledge will not give you 100% result. Prabhupada time, Guru Maharaj always said, the Prabhupada time with the one slogan always on the top, service, surrender की जाए, है ना, सेवा और शरणागति की जाए. People say, generally people say, why हम शरणागति क्यों करें? Why we surrender? Because that surrender will help you to grow. Help to grow. Service will help to grow. If you will not do service, how can you grow? It's difficult to grow. So secret, the second secret, if you are not able to do practice, if you are not able to concentrate, you are not able to surrender, then do practice. And if you are not able to practice, the third version, Krishna says, Abhyas api asmartha. You are asamartha. You are not samarthya for abhyas. You are not samarthya abhyas. So Krishna says, api mat karma, api karma mat param bhava, sorry. Then you do some karmas for me. If you are very good, if you can surrender, it's better. If you cannot surrender, no worries. है ना? अभ्यास योगेन ततो माम इच्छाम आप्त धनंजय. If you are not able to, what we can say, you are not able to practice also, then do some karma for me, Arjuna. Just by doing some karma, yogi कायेन मनसा बुद्ध्या, है ना, केवल इंद्रियों अपि योगी कर्म कुर्वन्ति संग त्यक्त्वा आत्मशुद्धया. कायेन मतलब शरीर से, मन से, बुद्धि से, योगी कर्म कुर्वन्ति, योगी लोग काम करते हैं, और संग त्यक्त्वा आत्मशुद्धया, और उस जो भी कर्म करते हैं तो उसके बाहर से निकल जाते हैं. तो कृष्णा has given you wonderful option, है ना. If you can't practice, you can't surrender, the better to do something for us. And that is why people say, कृष्णा कहते हैं गीता में, कर्म करो, do action. But people are little mad actually. Krishna is not saying कुछ भी करो भैया. ऐसा नहीं बोला भगवान ने, कुछ भी करो. नहीं, कृष्णा says वो कर्म करो जिससे बंधन ना लगे, है ना. क्योंकि कर्म आपको करना पड़ेगा, उसके पीछे रीजन है. कृष्णा ने रीजन दिया, यू विल हैव टू डू कर्मा. द रीजन बिहाइंड, कृष्णा सेज, बिकॉज यू हैव माइंड, you have intelligence, you have indriya, you have senses. You will, if you say you will not do anything, still you will think. If भूख तो लगेगी, है ना, you feel, then you are hungry. Then if you are hungry, then you go for food, है ना. So you'll have to do some karma. How can you keep away from karma? Arjuna says in Gita, I will not do karma, I will not fight. Krishna says you are not intelligent actually, Arjuna. You'll have to do something. So karma you'll have to do. Then Krishna says, if you cannot offer to me, you cannot practice properly, you cannot surrender to better, I am giving you the right path, then you do something for me, do some action. This is the karma bhumi. And karma yoga is very important. Karma yoga means your karma attached with Krishna. That is called karma yoga. If you are not attaching your karmas, your action with Krishna, that is not karma yoga. That automatically become karma, and every karma you have the result of that karma. That result of that karma is called bandhan. Bandhan means the bondage of this material world. So important to know. Then we'll have to do karmas. So third, Krishna, third thing giving to us, if you want to keep away yourself from the clutches of Maya, then what you'll have to do? You'll have to do some karmas. And the karmas are very important. And because karma you will have to do, तो जब हमको कर्म करने ही है तो अच्छा कर्म क्यों ना करे, कोई ऐसा कर्म क्यों ना करे जिससे हमारा बंधन ना लगे. Then Krishna says Bhagavad Gita, Ubhe Sukrita Dushkrita. Obey Sukrita Dushkrita means Buddhi Yukta, those are Buddhi Yukta people. Those are mind. Buddhi Yukta Jahati hi. Jahati matlab free. They are free from. Ubhe Sukrita Dushkrita. अच्छे कर्मों से भी और बुरे कर्मों से. तस्मात योगायुवस्व. योग में आके फिक्स हो जाते हैं. योग कर्मसु कौशलम. और योग में रह के you are in devotion. योग में devotion. When you are in devotion and whatever karma you are doing in devotion, योग कर्मसु कौशलम. Whatever action you will do, है ना, in yoga, then you will get better result. You will get good results. You will get divine, not even good result. You will get divine result. So that is all about. So action is very important in this material world. We are doing action every day, and that action giving us so many, reactions because we are having so many reaction only by our action. So Krishna said, if you cannot surrender, no problem. If you can't practice, no problem. And then do some karmas for me. So and Krishna has given the third option, third principle. But Krishna said, if you cannot do karma for me, yeah, Krishna said, then sarva karma phalam tyagam. If you cannot do karmas for sarva karma phalam tyagam, tat kuru mat bhav atmavat. Then what you can do, if you cannot do karma for me, then what you can do, you can offer karma phala. You can offer fruits of that karma, whatever you have attained after doing karmas. Then Krishna has given us one good idea also. If you can't do karma actually, then offer the fruits. कर्म का फल दे दे भाई, कर्म का फल तो दे सकता है, वही दे दे, उससे भी मैं सेटिस्फाइड हो जाऊंगा. कृष्णा भगवान कह रहे ना, यद करोषि यद अश्नासी यद जुहोसी ददासी यद तपस्वी तु कौन्तेय तत्कुरुष मत अर्पणम. Krishna has given us has shown us the mood of giving. If we are in the mood of, we are a giver. If we become giver, we will be favorite of all. Actually, what I realize, will when you will give something to your friend, they say, oh, you are wonderful, है ना. When you will give something to your children, they say, oh, my papa is wonderful, my father is wonderful. When you give something to your mother says, my son is very, my son is so compassionate for me. Actually, when you are in a mood of giving, then you'll become the favorite of everyone. So that is why Krishna says, if you are not able to do karma, then the fourth thing you can do, you can offer something to me. You can offer something to devotees. You can offer because we are doing karma, then we have so many things. And when we are in action, we attain so many things. Even when we go for fifth floor by stairs, then we have some, some pasina and some our body being wet. So we'll get something. We'll do something, we'll get something. So when we'll get something and we'll offer to Krishna, whatever we have the best we can offer to Krishna, then we become the favorite of Krishna. So Krishna says, this is another chance we can come out through Maya. Krishna has given us wonderful idea through Gita, and हर किसी के लेवल से कृष्णा समझा रहे हैं कि कोई हो सकता है किसी का लेवल बहुत अच्छा है, किसी का लेवल शरणागति तक है ना. Some people are fully surrender, then we have Gita. Some people in a practicing mood, then we have a Gita. Some people are in action mood, then we have a Gita. And some people have offering mood, then we have a Gita. So we have so many options. The final option, Krishna says, if you cannot offer to me, if you feel, then why I'll offer to you, Krishna, है ना, and you don't have mood to offer, then what you can do, you come into knowledge to understand, do karma in knowledge. Whenever you do karma in knowledge, directly or indirectly, you will support to Krishna. how can we understand that particular point? When we are we are not a devotee of Krishna. Yeah, we are partially devotee of Krishna, and we are mishrit bhakti, mixed devotion, whether for demigods, whether for Krishna. Okay, so when we are a मिश्रित भक्त क्या करता है, सबको सबकी पूजा करता है ना, ही वर्शिपिंग ऑल डेमीगॉड, एंड ब्रह्म की भी करेगा, कहीं भी जाएगा, कुछ भी करेगा, उसको मिश्रित भक्त है, बिकॉज इज अ मिक्स डिवोटी. सो what he can do, he can work in knowledge. In knowledge means वो कुछ पुण्य करेगा. Knowledge means पुण्य. वो एक जगह पे एक वाटर कूलर लगा देगा. आई डोंट नो इन अमेरिका, बट इंडिया में ऐसा होता है. तो वाटर कूलर लगा देते हैं. सो मैनी पीपल पानी पीते हैं और निकल जाते हैं, पानी पीते हैं और निकल जाते हैं. तो कुछ डिवोटी भी आते हैं, है ना, तो डिवोटी भी गलती से पानी पी लेते हैं, प्यास लगती है, वॉक करते हैं. देन डिवोटी खुश, और आपने डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली डिवोटी की सेवा कर दी, डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली यू सर्व डिवोटी बाय योर वन एक्शन, बिकॉज दैट एक्शन, यू हैव टेकन दैट एक्शन इन नॉलेज. जब आप कोई भी एक्शन करते हो और नॉलेज में होके लेके करते हो, something will happen. So that something will happen, Krishna said, that will also will help you to save from the hand of Maya. You will save from the hand of this, because you're doing something. Whatever you do something for, directly or indirectly for Krishna, there might be a chance and you can come out through Maya. That is why Krishna says, "Mamevya prapadyante." Mamevya prapadyante means it's a broad version. It's not a every every statement have two version. One is a broad version, one is a narrow version. Narrow version means मामेव्य प्रपद्यन्ते माया में था, भगवान की भक्ति करके, भगवान की पूरा 100% होके हमको. No, this is a narrow definition. The broad definition Krishna has given this in 12th chapter. By surrenderness, one, obviously, by practice, two, obviously, and the finally do action for Krishna, very nice. Number four, offering to Krishna, very nice. And the final and fifth one, do whatever you want to do, you can, but in knowledge. ज्ञान में रह के करो. आप कुछ ना कुछ ज्ञान में अच्छा कर ही लोगे, थोड़ा बहुत. आपका मन नहीं है भगवान के लिए कर्म करने का, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपको आप ऑफर नहीं करना चाहते, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपको शरणागति नहीं लेनी है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आपसे प्रैक्टिस नहीं होती, स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिस नहीं होती, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. फाइनली आप थोड़ा सा स्थिर होके थोड़ा सा पुण्य करने लगो. ये कृष्णा का फाइनली हमको एक ऑप्शन है. By doing punyas we can attain Krishna. When so many punya will, when you will gather so many punyas, and that punyas will give you one wonderful fruit. That fruit is devotee. है ना? Why in our life, we met some devotee, because we have little punyas. है ना? तुलसीदास जी से तुलसी पूर्व पाप को हरि कथा ना सुहाए, जैसे ज्वर के रोग में भूख की क्रिया जाए. जिसके पीछे बहुत सारे पाप है ना, तुलसीदास जी कहते हैं, उनको हरि कथा नहीं बनाती. पाप है तो पाप से पुण्य करो, तो पुण्य करोगे, हरि कथा अच्छी लगेगी, हरि के भक्त अच्छे लगेंगे, है ना. जब हरि के भक्त अच्छे लगेंगे, हरि कथा अच्छी लगेगी, तो देयर इज अ बिग चांस विल बिकम अ डिवोटी, एंड द बिग चांस देन you can save yourself from Maya, hand of Maya, hands of Maya. So that is very simple. If we are a follower of Gita, and we read Gita and we understand Gita, and the mood of Gita, why Krishna is saying particularly these 5 steps to Arjuna, because we all are in somewhere. All of us, कुछ लोग अभी ऑफरिंग मूड में होंगे, कुछ लोग अभी कर्म मूड में होंगे, कुछ लोग अभी प्रैक्टिसिंग मूड में होंगे, कुछ लोग शरणागत मूड में होंगे. तो वी एनीवेयर यू आर इन, there might be a chance and you can come out from Maya. So that is a math, that is a rule, that is a principle from Gita only. तो ये गीता हमको ये 5 स्टेप से सिखा रही है कि कैसे 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 हम माया से निकल सकते हैं, कैसे कैसे माया से निकल सकते हैं, नहीं, कैसे कैसे भक्ति कर सकते हैं, और जैसे जैसे भक्ति कर सकते हैं वैसे वैसे माया से निकल सकते हैं. सिंपल सॉल्यूशन है. तो ये हमको गीता सिखाती है. इफ वी आर अ स्टूडेंट ऑफ गीता, वी इजीली अंडरस्टैंड द 5 स्टेप that said by Krishna to Arjuna. हमको कहीं और से कुछ नहीं सीखना, हमें कहीं और से कहीं नहीं सीखना, हमें गीता से ही सीखना है. विल हैव टू लर्न थ्रू गीता ओनली. डोंट गो एनीवेयर एंड ये फलाना फलाना फलाना। किमे सूत्रे भविष्य शास्त्र ब्रह्म एवं पुराण भी एकम भक्ति शास्त्र मुक्ति दान ग्रजित एक भागवतम शास्त्र मुक्ति दान। किमे सूत्रे भविष्य शास्त्र, वाई वी गो फॉर डिफरेंट डिफरेंट शास्त्र, है ना। किमे सूत्रे ब्रह्म एवं पुराण भी, भ्रम है ना, भ्रम हमको कंफ्यूज कर देंगे, दे अलग अलग शास्त्र हमको कंफ्यूज कर देंगे, है ना। एकम शास्त्र, भक्ति भक्ति करो, भगवान की भक्ति करो। किमे सूत्रे भव्य शास्त्र ब्रह्म में पुराण भी एकम भागवतम शास्त्र मुक्ति दान ग्रजित। एक ही भागवतम शास्त्र, भागवतम शास्त्र, भागवतम भगवत गीता, दैट इज कॉल्ड भागवतम शास्त्र। एकम मुक्ति दान ग्रजित, ग्रजिता, ग्रजिता मतलब अनाउंसमेंट। गीता भागवत announcing, then you can liberate from this material world just by chanting the holy name. And what is it, why Gita is so powerful? Because Gita giving us the idea, the right method, and right principles also. That is why we'll have to follow Gita. अगर हम गीता को फॉलो करेंगे वहां पे सब कुछ सही हो जाएगा। तभी तो कहते हैं ना, सार्थक भजन पथ साधु संग अविरत श्रवण संस्मरण कृष्ण कथा अंतराय नहीं जाय यही तो परम भय। तो दैट इज द परम भय। अंदर नहीं जा रही कथा, अंदर नहीं जा रहा कीर्तन। सार्थक भजन पथ, सार्थक मीन्स, सार्थक भजन मीन्स द एसेंस डिवोशन, एसेंस ऑफ डिवोशन, सार्थक भजन पथ साधु संग अभिरत। साधु संग मीन्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ डिवोटीज। श्रवण स्मरण कृष्ण कथा, श्रवण मीन्स हियरिंग, स्मरण मीन्स रिमेम्बरिंग, है ना। दैट इज ऑल अबाउट। देन नरोत्तम दास ठाकुर सेइंग, व्हेन विल डू सार्थक भजन, है ना, प्रेमा भक्ति हय यदि तभी हय मन शुद्धि। इफ यू आर डूइंग सार्थक भजन देन प्रेमा भक्ति, देन प्रेम भक्ति हो जाएगी, है ना। तभी हय मन शुद्धि, मन शुद्ध हो जाएगा। तभी जाए हृदय व्यथा, तभी हृदय में से व्यथा जाएंगे, सारे अनर्थ जाएंगे, सारी नेगेटिविटी जाएगी। तो हम लोगों को सार्थक भजन करना है। सार्थक भजन का मतलब जो गीता में कहा वो करना है। What is the meaning of sarthak bhajan? Actual devotion. Whatever Krishna says in whatever Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita, that is sarthak bhajan. And the simple way, if, we'll have to do something. And Krishna is offering the fourth principle. Krishna has given us offering. Offering is very important. Offering we can do. Anyone can do offer to Krishna. Anyone can do. Some can offer money, some can offer energy, some can offer their child, some can offer their offer food, some can offer their home for preaching. Anything you can offer to Krishna. This is the way you can balance your devotion, and you can increase your devotion also. Then you become the high level of devotee by just offering to Krishna. We have two type of method actually. One is the arpan, second is the tarpan. Generally in India, people are more into tarpan. मेरे पिताजी का तर्पण, मेरी माता जी का तर्पण. But in Gita, the tarpan one Krishna haven't used. I don't know why, but I know why. Because Krishna is more into arpan mood. You offer to me, and don't do tarpan. Tarpan for punyas. I'm tarpan in the Gaya. I'm tarpan in, I'm doing tarpan in um, uh, Haridwar. That tarpan is a different section. Tarpan is for punyas. Tarpan is for pious things. But when you will do arpan is not pious activity. It's a divine activity. So Krishna offering us arpan. So more, all of us more into fourth principle. We are following fourth principle and three principle. Second, some of doing second principle also. They are a good practice. They are doing wonderful practice also. But in the five step, we can say, "Thank you, Maya. I know you are here, and by the mercy of Guru and Krishna, we understand this material world is full of suffering, and we are come out from this suffering. And if you want to come out from this suffering, then we'll have to option. We have a wonderful option. Gita has given us wonderful five option. We'll apply. आप इन पांचों में से कोई भी अपने ऊपर अप्लाई कर लो। पांचवा करोगे, बस बस स्पीड का फर्क है। The five are same, but the speed. If you follow the fifth one, your speed will high. You follow the fourth one, little less. Third, little less. Second, little less. And first, little less. Then better to go for the higher speed. Na? Maya mana adhasva maya buddhi niveshyat. You invest everything onto Krishna. That is the best speed. You are on the, your speed on the car 140. When you are in practicing mood, then you are 120. When you are in karma's mood, then your speed is 100. And when you are in offering mood, then your speed is 80. When you are uh, in a knowledge mood and your punya mood, then speed in 60 and 50. But it's just a matter of speed only. But all of five are important for us. Don't worry whether you are on a first level or fifth level. Don't worry, but fix on these five levels. You will get perfection very soon, and you'll become a wonderful devotee. And Maya will not disturb you. Even will disturb you by the knowledge. You can recover yourself easily. Don't worry. Okay? Thank you very much. All goes to Prabhupada, all goes to Guru Maharaj. I know I've done so many mistakes, but still आप समझ जाओ जो मैं बोल पाया इसके लिए मैं बस आपसे थोड़ी प्रार्थना करता हूँ और जितना मुझे पता जितना मुझे समझ थी मैंने थोड़ा सा बताने का प्रयास किया थैंक यू वेरी मच ऑल गोज टू प्रभुपाद ऑल गोज टू ऑल वैष्णव ऑल गोज टू श्री श्री राधा श्याम सुंदर ललिता विशाखा देवी की कृष्ण बलराम
जय
की और की
जय जय
हरे कृष्ण
हरे कृष्ण
So give me 2 minutes, Prabhu. So devotees, if they have any
हरे
questions,
कृष्ण प्रभु
definitely
जी
you have time for question, right, Prabhu?
यस
Correct, Prabhu?
यस
Okay.
यस
So
यस सर
I'll make few announcements and devotee can think about a question. So, you can visit our website for all the updates, Skanda Bergen County, skandabergen.org. So we have every Wednesday Sangha. So same time, 8:30 p.m. So many different speaker, and today we are very fortunate. His Grace Paresh Prabhu has given wonderful talk about April Fool for Maya. And this Sunday in our center, His Grace Padmada Prabhu will be speaking on Nectar of Instruction on the verse 5, on the level of devotees and proper dealings. So you can join that. And also we have weekly Bhakti Vrikshas every Friday in different locations. Devotee can participate on the weekly Bhakti Vriksha. And also we have Bhagavad Gita reading Monday to Friday, 12 p.m. to 12:15 p.m. The devotee reads a few verses. You can join that also in the same Zoom link. And also morning japa from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Anytime you can join. So that also is the same Zoom link. You can join. Also, you can visit our calendar, all the Ekadashi, all the festivals you can see here. And also definitely can see the recorded lectures. So anybody has any questions, you can. And
Yes, Prabhu. Tell me if any question you have.
I'll go with one question, Prabhu. Definitely, I think as Krishna says, Devi esa gunamai mama maya duratya. Even to understand how difficult Maya, actually, to understand Maya, I mean, Maya is also very difficult. The main issue is that we never, we don't realize that actually we are in Maya. So how can we first understand that actually we are in Maya?
Yeah, it's we are in Maya. The wonderful understanding why we have everything, why we are suffering actually. So we are suffering. All of us are suffering actually. We came in Krishna consciousness by some reason actually, because intelligent people understand easily, but those are not intelligent, they suffer. Some people understand by their own practical, anubhav, by their own practical suffering, and some may understand by other sufferings and they said this material world is full of miseries and miseries means dukhalay. There is a pain and suffering, everything. So people not understand in Maya because they are more into material things and because they have a good body, they have good amount of money. Even they cannot they attain everything by their own power. There's some, but when they'll become old after some time after 40 after 50 they realize then why they have a question and they go to temple they go to churches they go to mosque because they say ah yeah someone is here and we'll have to follow it we will understand one day but those are atheists there are so many atheists also they will not understand they are always in the mood of tark vitark they are in the tark mood Why we actually not understand? Because one, we can say we don't have that much of punyas, and the second, we can say then we don't have a sadhu kripa actually, and third, we are more into maya, and all these reasons, then we cannot become devotee, will not become devotee, so many things. And uh, and uh, Tulsi Puru Pap Hari Katha so, and we don't have that much of what we can say punyas. We don't have that much of bhakti, Krishna bhakti. We don't have punyas, and that punyas will not filter, will not bade nahi ho rahe, becoming big. That's why we are suffering. And apart from this, whether you have punyas, whether we don't have punyas, if you have a sadhu kripa from anywhere, you'll get sadhu kripa. Then you'll become devotee and you'll understand Krishna. है ना? Krishna bhakti you can attain by sadhu. निर्विरोध सिद्धांत प्रभुपाद जी बोलते थे. प्रभुपाद always said निर्विरोध सिद्धांत है कि कृष्ण अपनी भक्ति खुद नहीं देते. कृष्ण never release his bhakti through always release his bhakti through his devotee. So by devotee we can have bhakti, and those are more into Maya. Why? Because they are more into material things. They are greedy actually. They are greedy and they are not intelligent. We started our section by suffering, and they are the one type of people. They are searching. They are searching only happiness. And the second type of people I discussed. Those always want happiness, but they understand. Then we are suffering and they understand. That is all about. और सबसे बड़ी चीज तो ये कहूँगा the most important thing, there's a Krishna's mercy and our bad karmas and our good karma cycle shifted and ये and वो. This is a grahana karmana gati. Krishna said to Arjuna के कर्मण विकर्मस्य कर्मण्य बोधव्यम बोधव्य च विकर्मण अकर्मण्यस्य बोधव्यम ग्रहण कर्मण गति. कर्मों की गति अर्जुन इतनी गहन है द कि you cannot understand the karmas की गति. So that is all about. Something we'll have to surrender finally onto Guru and Krishna. They can offer us. ठीक है? Thank you.
Thank you, bro. One more question, bro. Like, wanted to know how did you come to Krishna consciousness?
What is the question? Can you repeat? I changed my phone.
Yeah. How did you come to Krishna consciousness, bro?
If you how to become Krishna conscious, we are in
How you
Krishna
came? How you came to
consciousness.
Krishna consciousness? How you came to
How
spawn?
I came, how
Yes.
I came into Krishna
Yes.
consciousness.
Yes. Yes. We want to hear.
Yeah, that is a story for my wife. Actually, she is very much into Krishna consciousness, and she did magic on me, है ना? By the mercy of Gurudev, उसने मुझे सम्मोहित कर लिया. So earlier she was a devotee of Krishna, and she forced me to read Gita, and I read Gita. I have so many questions, and but Krishna says Chaturvidha bhajante mam sukrita sa Arjuna. So I was in a jigyasu mood. So I understand why people are worshipping Durga, why people are worshipping Shiva, why people are worshipping Brahma, and Muslims and Christians. They all are wrong. Yeah. Then finally I read Gita and Krishna says, Bahunam Janmanam Ante. I was impressed by that shloka. That shloka impressed me a lot. Bahunam Janmanam Ante Gyan Myan Mam Prapadente Vasudevaya Sarvamiti Samatman Sudurlabha. So I was attending one of the class of Guru Dev in Keshapuram, Delhi. Then Guru Maharaj said on that particular time, कि बहुनाम जन्मनाम अन्ते ज्ञान व्यान माम प्रपद्यन्ते वासुदेवाय सर्वमिति स महात्मन सुदुर्लभ. Not even Maharaj said they are not rare. Those are into Krishna consciousness. They are very rare. Sudurlabha. Durlabha means rare, and Sudurlabha means very rare. Then I have another question. Those are in devotion of demigods. उनका क्या होगा? What happened with them? Then Krishna, Guru Maharaj said another shloka. ये अन्य देवता भक्त्या जजंती श्रद्धा यान्विता ते अपि माम कौनते है यजंती अविधि पूर्वकम. Hey Arjuna, those are not worshipping me. They are indirectly worshipping me. They are indirectly. So I said, why I go for the right thing directly? Why we are going for the wrong way? The directly Krishna says, if you come directly to me, I'll be happy. And And by Gita, actually, I just tell you, I was so fortunate, I will say. So I immediately come in Krishna. I When I come into Krishna consciousness, immediately I choose in Gita at that time. And I was very curious and to understand. I was reading every day, in 700 shlokas. I after my marriage, after 1 month of my marriage, I completed 700 shlokas. You know how speed I was, I how much interest I was developing that time. In a 1 month, I read all 700 shlokas and understand what actually. And every night, I and my wife both sit together around 9 o'clock, and 9 to 10 every day for 30 days, almost 35 days. I think 32. I'm not remember, almost 1 month. We read the whole Gita. And that Gita, so many question arises. And for that question, I go for the devotee association. And when I go for the devotee association, they cleared everything. And I asked Guru Maharaj so many questions, because I belong to a Punjabi family in Delhi, and our family more into Gurudwara. So my chachi is Sikh actually. So we were into, more into Sikh community. We follow Sikhism, and I know few things of Sikhism. Then I relate Sikhism with Vaishnavism. Then I found then Sikhism always talking about Krishna, है ना? भय प्रापत मानुष दे हरिया, अब गोविंद मिलन की है तेरी बरिया, अवर काज ना कीते का मिले साध संगत भज केवल नाम. Then the Granth Sahib says, Bhai Prapat Manush Deriya. You are having the human body. That is difficult, but you have. Bhai Manush. अब गोविंद मिलन की है तेरी बे. Now the time to meet Govind. अवर काज ना कीते काम. Don't waste your time here and there. मिले साध संगत भज केवल नाम. Always be in the association of devotees and भज केवल नाम. Chanting. भय नाशन दुखमति हरन कली में हरि का नाम. At the age of Kalyuga, हरि का नाम. निज दिन नानक जो जपे. Nanak Dev Ji also chanting. से होए सब काम. So when we are connecting Sikhism, Vaishnavism, and Gita, and then I, gradually, so I came into Krishna consciousness. The all glories to Guru Maharaj, all glories to Prabhupada Gita. Actually, I will recommend Prabhupada Gita ने सबको बदला, change everything. And for me, Prabhupada Gita is everything. That Gita 700 shlokas. If you understand the mood of Krishna in the 700 shlokas, then you can attain Krishna. The mood of Krishna is to understand this material world and surrender to me. I am your best caretaker. I am your best well-wisher. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, bro. That is wonderful. Together, when the family, either wife supports or husband supports, definitely make a change. It's wonderful that Mother just brought you in this.
The family pray together, stay together.
Stay together. Yes, bro. Anybody else has any questions? And definitely, I would like to thank, Tri Krishna Prabhu is there because of his request. You are here to share this wonderful sharing of today topic. Very much thankful to Tri Krishna Prabhu again. And definitely, this is not hopefully will not be the first time. We would like to see you again and again. Schedule on Wednesday Sangha sometime, or if you're coming even over here, we would like to host you. So thank you very much. So anybody has any questions? Maybe we'll take last. Yeah, I think nobody has any questions. So again, everybody can unmute and thank Prabhuji with one Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare.
Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada ki Thank you very much.
Krishna.
Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Thank you very
Hare
much.
Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Paresh Prabhuji.
Hare Hare.
Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna. Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Hare